guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually going to be door dashing for a day. I just want to see how the money is because I need some additional money. I'm trying to save for a lot of things. I'm trying to get back into school and stuff like that. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me for my first DoorDash day just to see how much money I'm going to make. I just want to see how it is compared to like how much I usually make at my job. I hope you guys can see. So I'm just going to click on the DoorDash app and it usually tells you where it is busy. So it is currently busy over here in Southwest Las Vegas. Not sure how far that is, but we're gonna see. I scheduled a shift for tonight at 10 to 12 a.m. Usually here in Vegas it is super busy at nighttime because we are a city that don't sleep. So I'm just going to navigate. So I just drove all the way over here to Southwest Las Vegas, and now it's saying that it's not busy in my area. So I'm just confused, like, what you mean when it was just saying it was super busy over here? But I guess I got over here like too late, and that's another issue, is that you kind of want to choose places that's close to you. So that's what I'm kind of discovering. You definitely want to choose places that's close to you so that you're not driving super far, and then once you get there there's nothing to do because it's not busy anymore. Is what they gave me. They gave me the DoorDash bag, and then they also gave me the little card. So it just looks like this when you open it. It's like this, and then it has like a little divider, and that's just to separate, I guess, like the orders, or if you want to put drinks in here too, I guess that'd be good as well. But like I said, I'm gonna stay here till 12:30 and see. The plan is to get back home by 5 o'clock, so we're gonna see how this goes, y'all. I hope that I make at least $50 today. I stopped dashing right now. It is one. Hold on, let me get my phone. It is 1:51. If y'all can see that, it is 1:51. Guess how many dashes I have done? Deliveries, whatever you want to call it. I've only done 0.
I need that money.
To get any little deliveries, whatever, orders or nothing over in the area that I was in because it was just so busy. I guess now in the morning and like in the daytime is when everybody tries to go and do the deliveries or wants to DoorDash, and reason why is because some people don't like to work at nighttime, or some people can't work at nighttime because they have another job that they do, or they're concerned about their safety. So I'm gonna try to compare the morning and day shift compared to the night shift here in Vegas. First thing first, when doing DoorDash, make sure you have on comfortable shoes. So I'm wearing my Converse because you're gonna be getting in and out the car, going to people's houses. You don't know if they have apartments, they're gonna be on the 3rd floor. So yeah, wear some comfortable shoes. Another thing that I'm doing is having a smoothie in the morning. I just have a couple of berries, some pineapples, bananas, and a couple of chia seeds in here so that I can have something on my tummy. I got me some grapes, and then I got some water. You want to make sure that you bring snacks with you so that when you're dashing or whatever, you might get hungry. Make sure you eat because you're going to be delivering all this food. It's going to work up an appetite. I'm trying to tell y'all, so make sure that you eat before you dash. Feel like I'm losing, I don't want to keep playing them. Alright, so I'm going to do some dashing tonight. I only was able to do 1 order for DoorDash. I did about 3 orders for Postmates, but I'll do a separate video on Postmates. But for DoorDash, I only did 1 order. And that was really simple. It was just a Subway sandwich. So I'm gonna stop dashing for now because I have some other things I need to handle. But I'm over here by a lot of stores in a little shopping center, so it's like a bunch of places over here, which is good. So hopefully I get an order soon. I completed the delivery. It was $8.16 for the base pay, and she tipped me $2. so I got a $2 tip. Yes, I'm getting somewhere. Okay. As you guys know, I started putting blow pops, lollipops, and water in my car just to give to my customers. So I handed a bunch of them out yesterday, and I think I got some good ratings. Of course, I don't know if I have good ratings or not because I haven't completed 100 deliveries. So with Doordash, oh yeah, I've been flipping back and forth. So right now I'm doing Doordash from 4 to 9. So with Doordash, after you do 100 deliveries, that's when they'll be able to tell you like what your customers basically are saying about you. So hopefully I got some good reviews. I only had one bad experience, but she'll get over it. She was kind of upset that I couldn't find the building, but it wasn't my fault. My GPS took me all the way behind. So what I started doing, because I realized I was like handing my customers warm water, and that's not good with your drink. So what I did was I basically went to my little Dollar General. I'm at Dollar General right now, if you guys can see. So I went to Dollar General and I just got a ice bag and a little thing to put it in to keep the water in, and I just put the water like inside just so I can keep it kind of cool. Right now it is 4:08. Like I said, I live in Las Vegas. I'm going to be dashing over here in North Las Vegas Park. So my shift starts at 4:30. This is from 4:30 to 5, but I have another one scheduled directly after that from 5 to 9 or 5 to 8 or something like that. So let me see. Yeah, so from 5 to 12 a.m. Not gonna be out to 12 a.m. even though there's money to be made out here. So I made right now I have $151.20 no, $151.57 if my camera will focus. So $151.57. I'm hoping that I can get to like $300 tonight, to be honest. That would be love if I can get to 300. So last night my stuff was booming, but I had to go in the house early because I wasn't feeling good. So yeah, let's hope that business is good today. So I'm gonna start dashing in a couple of minutes, and I'll take you guys along with me. I signed up for, so right here is where you can kind of see like where the additional money is. So I'm doing this tomorrow from 5 to 8 for an additional $1 on top of whatever I get for DoorDash. $7.36. I started around like 7:20. It is now 4:20. It is now 4:49. My camera never wants to focus, so yeah, I'm just waiting on another order to come through. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys before I head home. It is currently 9 o'clock. I'm cutting it off. It's still pretty red in like the areas to dash, so like this whole map is lit up, if y'all can see that. The whole map is lit up. So right now I'm at $218.33, and I have some more dashes that I'm doing tomorrow. So this $42 that you're seeing down here, that was only for 3 days or something like that. So right now I'm at $218.33. So yeah, I think I did pretty good for the day.